Tēnei ka mihi atu ki a koutou kua tai mai nei I rungi tēnei karanga nei o te rā. Ka tīmata me te karakia ki te runga rawa o tōna manaakitanga ku ihia mai ki rungi a tātou tēnei huinga I tēnei ata. Whakataka te hau ki te uru, whakataka te hau ki te tonga. Kia mā kina ki uta, kia mā taratara ki tai. E hiake ana te Sakura, he tio, he huka. Good morning everyone. And thank you to our MC as well for a few embarrassing things there as well, but it's wonderful to be here and I find it a privilege to be amongst you all. I have some acknowledgements and I want to talk about the vision for today as well. But firstly, to Honourable Casey Costello, our Minister for Seniors, most importantly, and I would say her second most important would be the Associate Minister for Police. But also the Associate Minister for Immigration, the Associate Minister for Health, and also our Minister for Customs. Nau mai hara mai whakatau mai. To Melissa Lee, Member of Parliament for National, tēnā rau atu koe. Already mentioned my friend Rakesh, tēnā rau atu koe, here from National Headquarters and as our Partnerships Lead. Some thank yous on behalf of New Zealand Police, our ethnic community leaders for your leadership and willingness to organise this phenomenal event. To Johnny Hui, project lead and your project team, you have volunteered your time to a worthy and honourable event. Thank you for the evenings and personal time you have dedicated to this. Every single volunteer, of which there are over 100 of you, a massive thank you. Our TM safety patrollers, you'll see them in high vis, you would have seen them out on the road. And one other thing is that you're aware that we are committed to 500 extra police. And we look forward to seeing our TM safety patrollers at Police College in the not too distant future. To each and every one of you that has created this event, have immense pride in your efforts. It has come together on a wonderful West Auckland day, as our MC said, but I want you to stay warm. The drums certainly started the day off with the taiko drum team. We've had a wonderful choral item of our New Zealand national anthem, warm up, stay engaged, massive smiles, and I thank you for the difference you have made for today and into the future. Anō reire te whānau, ko ea tēnei huinga o tātou, taku nei tū. E mihi kawana ki a koutou katoa, tēnā koutou, huri no te whare, tēnā tātou katoa. Kia ora.
Tēnā koutou, kia ora koutou katoa. Thank you for inviting me to speak at today's Treasuring Our Seniors Expo. It is truly an honour to be here and to see the energy and commitment into an issue that I feel so passionately about. I know there have been so many people that have made this event possible and bringing it together, and I just think Jeet and Jessica, they've acknowledged you already, but your passion and commitment is worthy of recognition again. To Rakesh, who I just spent yesterday with because we had World Refugee Day yesterday at the Mangere Refugee Resettlement Centre, and again it shows the passion and commitment. I'd love to give a special acknowledgement to my colleague, the lovely Melissa Lee, for her energy and commitment in working with our ethnic communities. It is to be applauded. To the wonderful MC, Michael, thank you.
Utilities disputes is the fair, free, independent, like an ombudsman service, for electricity and gas across Aotearoa. We're here to help.
region, Auckland Region Community Radio. It's been in existence for quite a number of years.
We're broadcasting from Sky Tower, 24/7.